Shane Richie didn't enjoy the best night's sleep on tonight's I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, but it wasn't creepy crawlies or the ghosts of Gwrych Castle that kept him up, it was Beverley Callard's snoring. The actor had a tricky time getting to bed, with Beverley sounding like an RAF fighter, as her fellow campmates tried to get 40 winks.
Shane said about her snoring, "Last night, I swear I thought there was an RAF fighter coming over. And I was going, Bev, Bev, Bev." It was noticed by over celebrities too, with Victoria Derbyshire encouraging Shane to nudge Beverley to get her to stop.
Speaking later, Beverley said, "Apparently I was snoring, growling, which I'm so embarrassed about." The actress then said that her husband John will be laughing at home, as she always usually complains about his snoring.
To view this video, please enable JavaScript, and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5 video. Shane has been in the thick of the action this week, smashing the last Bushtuka trial after raising eyebrows with comments about his campmates. Shane described Jessica and Jordan as "from the same cloth" because of the reactions to the bugs, explaining, "I say this every year I watch it, why do you do it? I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here" continues daily at 9 p.m. on I.
Got a story? If you've got a celebrity story, video or pictures, get in touch with the Metro. .co.uk entertainment team by emailing us celebtips@metro.co.uk, calling 020-3615-2145 or by visiting our Submit Stuff page. We'd love to hear from you.